Hey guys, RoonPicker here from the lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is lock number 1 from LockPickingDev, and he made his out of a Yale mortise cylinder. You can see it's got the old Yale keyway, and the only thing I found interesting on here is this 3D printed back on here, but there's no holes in this warding, so you have to really fight this keyway. Here's the tag for the mummified key. You can see what it says right there, LockPickingDev. So let's go ahead and throw this in the vise, see if we can get it open today. We're going to use 40 thousandths and our janky hook 7. And let's zoom in. Whoa. And move this up. There we go. And see if we can get this open today. We're going to be going clockwise. Back pin. You have to really fight this keyway because you have to lift these up so high. Nice if I get some movement on here. I'm getting clicks, but nothing. There we go. That was a good movement. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Do this to me. We're in a false set right now, so I'd like to maintain that. If I can figure out what pin is holding me up. Get some more bend back on this thing. There we go, there we go, there we go. I like that. Come on. We are so close, guys, right now. Just gotta find what's holding us up right now. I think we're 1 pin away. Yeah, we got it. Sweet. Let's zoom out. Yeah, this one was definitely one of the tougher Yales I've picked. We are picked. Let's lock it back up. And let's see what we got for the key. Yeah, so those high cuts in that the top of that keyway definitely caused some issues. A little bit of snagging, but nothing too egregious. Here's the bidding on the key. You see we got a lot of highs and lows. So let's go ahead and gut this thing and see what we got inside. I'm excited to see what's in here. I'll have to redo this pick. My new one should be arriving soon, so I shouldn't have to use this one too much longer. But it's definitely a good substitute in the meantime. Okay, key, shim, come on. Must be some pin and pins in here because the shim was struggling to get through here. There are some really fine T-pins. All right, so 6 pins. We got spool, serrated top, serrated, spool top, serrated, spool top. And no mods done to the core. Goodbye, shim. Beautiful serrated spool. We got another beautiful serrated spool. Is that a pin and pin or no? That's just a really, that just has a T-pin top on it. Serrated spool. They're almost like spools with, but like the serrations are like deep on them. We got a double spool on here. Let's check the back here. Got another double spool. And lastly, got another double spool. Beautiful pins though, all the same spring links, no mods done to the Bible. So let's go bring you guys over here, take a look and see. Look at this beautiful pin work by LockPickingDev. You can see we got those deep spools / serrations. Nothing done to the Bible or core. And that is lock number 1 from LockPickingDev. Very fun challenge lock. The keyway made it very difficult. So kudos to you, LockPickingDev. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.